Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nautical Nail It. I'm Kaval. I make content on nail art, beauty, makeup and fashion. So if you like my video, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So guys, today's video is very interesting. Today I'll be sharing with you a beginner's makeup kit. So this video is for those girls who are just started investing in makeup and they have a lot of doubts what to buy, what not to buy, what is gonna suit their skin type and other tons of questions. All the answers are in this video. You need to watch the video till the end. So guys, the first product is this Aqualogica Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen. So guys, the first and foremost product is a sunscreen. So I use this Aqualogica Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen. This is a perfect sunscreen for every skin type because it suits all the skin types. They come in 3 different variants. I use this Glow Plus Dewy, but they come in 2 different variants as well. One is this pink version, one is this green version. This pink version is Radiance plus Dewy effect and this one is Hydrate plus Dewy. All the sunscreen comes in different categories and the ingredient list of these sunscreen is completely different. So you need to choose according to the skin type you want. So guys, I use this Aqualogica yellow version of the sunscreen because it contains papaya and vitamin C and it gives a very mattifying effect on my skin. My skin is a combination skin which is kinda sometimes very oily. So I need something that is gonna mattify my face so that my makeup base looks very gorgeous. So for that I use this. For those who have a dry skin type, you can use the hydrated version of this that comes in the green bottle and that contains coconut water, so it hydrates your skin very thoroughly and you can have a good flawless makeup look. So guys, the best part about this sunscreen is that it suits every skin type. If you have a normal skin, a combination skin, a sensitive skin, this is completely safe for you. It's quality free, toxin free, is 100% vegan. The formula has no toxic chemicals, so this is a very good part about this sunscreen. The consistency of the sunscreen is gel to lotion. I'll show you. You can see it's very thin, like a cream formula, as you can see, but it doesn't leave you with any kind of white cast. That is the best part about this sunscreen. Other sunscreen leave us with a very white casting face and I don't personally like it. So for a good makeup look, you need a sunscreen that absorbs in your skin but doesn't give you a white cast. So this is a good part about this. Next up I have Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. So guys, this Fit Me Primer comes in 2 different variants. One is this green version and one is this purple version. So this purple version is dewy plus smooth. It gives you a very hydrating effect and as I told you, I need primers as well that are very mattifying, so I use this matte primer. I don't use this because it doesn't suit my skin type, but those who have a very dry skin, they can go for this primer, not for this, because it gives you a very mattifying effect. If you have already dry skin, your base will not look good at all with this primer. So for those who have dry skin, they can go for this. Other than that, those who have combination skin like me and tends to be oily for some time, you can use and go for this primer. Rather than investing in 10 different cheap products, you can invest in one and have a good look. If you talk about the fragrance, it has a very mild fragrance which is not at all bothering. Like, it doesn't annoy you when you apply it on your skin. Next up I have Pond's Super Light Gel. So guys, in winters I do have dry skin, so for that I need a moisturizer which is very light on the skin, which is not at all greasy because I don't like very greasy heavy base makeup kind of moisturizer. So I use this Pond's Super Light Gel. This is the best moisturizer I have came across in my life. I have been using this for years and years. I really like this. This comes in 2 different variants. One is that white green, sea green kind of bottle and one is this blue. It's super light. It's very light on the skin. It's gel like formula. I can show you. It's gel like formula, as you can see. It's very nourishing and hydrating to the skin. It absorbs and after that it doesn't give you any kind of greasy effect. It mattifies and settles down your skin beautifully. So according to the pricing, it is for 100 rupees, 49 grams, which is perfect. It's not that expensive. It's a very nice moisturizer. It mattifies your skin. It gives you a flawless base to apply the makeup. Next product is this BB cream by Pond's and Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. So guys, I'm introducing these 2 products together because I use them constantly in replacements. For example, if I wanna go for daily base makeup, so I use this BB cream by Pond's. This is my go-to cream for my base makeup for every day. I don't like heavy bases and putting a lot of foundation on a daily basis on my skin. So for a lighter version, this is perfect because it contains a moisturizer as well as foundation effect. On a daily basis, you don't want your skin to get irritated. So for that, you can have this cream for a lighter version. It gives you an instant glow, dewy kind of effect. It's perfect. It doesn't give you like a cheap product face makeup look. It's very perfect. It gives you a foundation plus concealer effect, so it is perfect on a daily basis. So guys, this comes in different shade range. Mine is ivory. It comes in light, ivory and natural, I guess. These are the three shades that are available in this. You can choose according to the skin type you have or skin color you have. Another good part about this sunscreen is that it contains SPF 30, it's lightweight, it's non-oily texture. You can just have it in your purse and you can go anywhere and you can have a good makeup look. So this is perfect. It's very cheap. It's for I think 160 rupees for 18 grams. 18 grams is like good quantity. You can have for 3 to 6 months. It's gonna work for you if you use it on a daily basis. Then too, it's a perfect BB cream. If you have a bigger occasion and if you want to go for a party, then you can switch to this Fit Me foundation. It is a perfect foundation. It comes in two different variants. One is this glass bottle and one is a tube version. I can show you right over here. So you can go for the tube version as well. As a beginner, you can invest in that. It's quite expensive. It's for 500 rupees. So this foundation hides all your pigmentation, all your dark spots. It even out the skin. It gives you a very flawless makeup look. So if we talk about the texture, you can see right over here. This is the texture of the foundation. It's very watery, so it absorbs in the skin very nicely. I really like my foundations and creams to be very light on the face. Next up, we have Fit Me Maybelline Concealer. Guys, frankly, I don't use any concealer unless I do have very prominent dark circles or very puffy eyes. I don't use concealers. Foundation works for me completely. So I don't need a concealer. If I really want to have or if I really need it, I use this Fit Me concealer. It's perfect. It hides all your dark spots and you can use wherever the dark spot is under your eyes. And if you have puffy eyes, you can use this and it hides all the pigmentation on your face. Next up, we have Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. So the shade I have in this eyeshadow palette is 02. So guys, this is eyeshadow palette. It is very beautiful eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. It's highly affordable. It's just for 188 rupees and you are getting 9 different shades from Swiss Beauty. 9 of them are there. 5 are shimmy shades, 4 are matte, which can help you to create a gorgeous eyeshadow or eye makeup look. So other than that, they have this shade right over here that is kind of shimmery highlighting shade, so you can use it as a highlighter. As you can see, it's very pigmented. It gives you a very nice effect in just one go. I'll show you some more. This is a pink shade. See, the pigmentation is amazing. Other shade over here, you can use it as a blush, so it completes 3 uses in one. In 188 rupees, you're getting a highlighter, a blush on, as well as the eyeshadow palette. So what else you want? So this is a perfect eyeshadow palette that you can use as a beginner. Next up, we have this Mars Mascara Fabulash. So this is the best mascara you can use. It is for 171 rupees. It's by Mars and it gives you very volumizing lashes in just one go. This gives you a very intense black effect on the eyelashes and it's very volumizing, and for a very long period of time it stays on your lashes till the time you remove it with a makeup remover. In this price range and with these features, it is a perfect mascara. Next up, we have Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. Okay guys, so when it comes to eyeliners, this is the only eyeliner I love. So guys, this Lakme eyeliner is waterproof. It's very intense in color. The applicator is very smooth. The brush and the bristles are very thin, so it is very smooth in application as well. So this is the best eyeliner I have came across, because after using a lot of eyeliners from Insight and Swiss Beauty and Nykaa, I have switched to Lakme because it is a perfect eyeliner. It gives you a very mattifying effect on the face. It looks very flawless. It's very smooth in application. It's a perfect eyeliner for beginners. Next up, we have the Kajal pencil from Colorbar. So guys, after using a lot of kajals, I came across this Colorbar kajal. It comes for 120 rupees on Amazon. It's very intense and rich in pigmentation. It's very nice. In just one swipe, it gives you a very good color payoff, which is a very good. It's a smudge proof, cruelty free, paraben free, so it doesn't have a lot of harmful chemicals. The best part about this kajal, it doesn't burn my eyes. I have used a lot of kajals which usually burn my eyes, but it doesn't, so this is a very good thing about this. Other than that, in just 120 rupees you're getting a really good deal. It's very high and rich in pigmentation and color payoff. The stay is very amazing. It is completely smudge proof, so it is a very nice kajal to invest in. Next up we have these Swiss Beauty matte lipsticks. So guys, when it comes to lipsticks, Swiss Beauty is my favorite. So these are the Swiss Beauty creamy matte lipsticks. They are creamy in formula, matte in texture. It gives you very pigmented lips in just one swipe. The stay is quite amazing. The only disadvantage is that they are not transfer proof at all. They do transfer on the hanky or anything you're using. So that is a disadvantage. Other than that, the stay is amazing. The pigmentation is amazing. You can go for two different shades. One for lighter, one for dark. One is Cute Nude 09, and if you want to have a darker shade, you can go for Hot Cherry 04. These are the two perfect shades that you can have in your beginner's makeup kit. You can use this lighter version for daily uses, and if you want to go for a party, you can use the dark version of the lipstick. So guys, these are the recommendations from my side. Hope you like the video. If you like it, you know what you need to do. You need to click on the like button. If you want to say something to me, do comment below. If you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel Nautical Nails. Till then, hashtag keep nailing it.